Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Revolut card to Google Pay. It's very easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. So basically you just have to open up the Revolut application, and once you are inside the app, go to the home page. On the home page you will see on the top right corner this little card icon. And this is going to open up your debit card menu where you can see all your cards. It doesn't matter which type of cards you have. This option is going to work for any card. You just have to open up the card, and adding to Google Pay option is going to pop up here. Obviously, I use an iPhone, so for me, it shows the Apple Wallet feature, but yeah, it's going to show up in the same way. Just tap on it, you can activate it, and it's going to be all set for payments just like this, just on your Android device. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation.